Imagine, if you will, a tranquil evening in a beautiful home. Suddenly, a spark flies from the stove, a small flame flickers into existence. It's a sight that would send shivers down anyone's spine. This is how it begins, a fire in a kitchen that would soon engulf an entire house. The flame, small and unassuming, starts to spread. It dances across the wooden countertops, leaps onto the curtains, and crawls up the walls. A once serene home is now a raging inferno, a terrifying spectacle of red and orange. It devours everything in its path, leaving nothing but destruction in its wake. Before long, the once beautiful house is no more. In its place stands a charred skeleton, a grim reminder of the fire's fury. Windows are shattered, walls are blackened, and the air is thick with the acrid smell of smoke. It's a sight that would break even the strongest of hearts. But despair not, for every end is a new beginning. Enter the heroes of our story, the skilled technicians and project managers from Lakeshore Restoration LLC. With a determined look in their eyes, they step into the wreckage, ready to breathe life back into the house. The restoration process is no easy task. It requires a delicate balance of precision, patience, and expertise. The team meticulously sifts through the debris, salvaging what they can. They scrub away the soot, wash away the smoke stains, and repair the water damage. Piece by piece, day by day, they start to rebuild. Walls are repainted, windows are replaced, and the once charred skeleton starts to resemble a home once more. It's a laborious process, but the team at Lakeshore Restoration LLC remains steadfast, their dedication evident in their tireless efforts. And then, one day, the transformation is complete. The house, once a picture of devastation, stands tall and proud once more. It's a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the power of restoration. The owners, their faces lit up with joy, walk through the doors of their newly restored home. Their hearts are filled with gratitude as they see the familiar spaces, now free of any signs of the fire. They thank the team at Lakeshore Restoration LLC, their voices choked with emotion, their eyes welling up with tears. Such is the magic of restoration. It's not just about repairing a house, it's about healing a home. It's about taking something broken and making it whole again. It's about turning a tragedy into a triumph, a house into a home, despair into hope. This is the story of a fire, a restoration, and a homecoming, a story of resilience, recovery, and rebirth.